When designing a system, we definitely take into consideration the time of use of a customer. So what time you're likely to be home during the day, do you work night shift, do you work from home? So all these things are important to take into consideration when designing the complete package. So do we place panels on the east side, on the west side of the home? Do we use the northern aspect of the house? Are batteries suitable? So we take into consideration, how a family uses their power. Generally, most people work during the day, the kids come home around 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, the wife gets home, so we design systems around that type of living. So we would tend to put the panels more towards the west of the home. This helps cope with the afternoon loads versus maybe a retired couple who may be home all day, so they need a bigger spread of power. They may need power from the morning right through to the afternoon. So these are all things that we take into consideration when designing for our customers. The installer plays a massive part of designing how a system comes together in terms of dealing with the customer's load profile.